back at Legoland Florida Resort for Brick or Treat one last time, actually on Halloween. And ever since the beginning of this pandemic, I've always had at least one face covering in my car, so I'm good with that. Guess who didn't have a face covering in the car today? And I'm wearing my costume, so it's not in my pockets like it normally is. That's always my backup. Oh yeah, even though this is a vampire costume, I can't help every time I put it on to think, it could also be a J-Man costume. Leave a comment if you know who that is. One of the things I didn't really shoot a lot during my opening day video are the meet and greets. So here are some of those. But you can also pick a song from the list here. Guys doing today?
Doing well. How about you ghostly Spanish?
I'm doing spectacular. Enjoying Trick or Treat again.
Indeed, of
Happy
course.
Halloween, of course.
Happy Halloween from Shipwreck Alley.
Like this. Like this. Like, wait, do I do a crane? Like a crane kind of thing? Like a bat. No, these are too. So in order to catch the bat, I have to be the bat.
Looking for today.
I'm looking mostly for rats, but I'll settle for bats or snakes. I'm a creature catcher here in the kingdom. I'm working for the king. Again, he doesn't offer many benefits, no 401k, but I've got here my cheese. It's been aged in the Florida sun, just like me, and it's got some nice mold on it. That's how you know it's fancy.
Oh.
But it's really just string cheese, so. That's my bait, and that's our whole job, actually.
Brick or Treat.
Happy Brick or Treat. I hope you guys are having a great day.
We are, as always.
Make sure you get all the candy.
Oh.
I bring it back to my cauldron so I can make a spell with it.
All right. I'm afraid if I don't bring you all the candy, you might put a spell on me, you know.
I can't make any promises.
All right.
But if you bring good candy, I'll spare you. Don't worry.
Sounds like a good trade. All right.
Have a great day.
Have a happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
How y'all doing today?
Wonderful. I mean, it's Halloween, so
It's the last day of Brick or Treat, though, so it's kind of a bittersweet day.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, Halloween, last day of Brick or Treat.
Well,
give and a take.
you know, sweet and sour, but hey, at least you're having a bricktastic day, right?
You're having a great day, y'all team.
Thank you.
You're
Oh, hello.
very pale. Are you a ghost?
I might be.
All right, you want to get a picture then?
Should
We've
I?
got cameras.
Should I be worried about that? It's video. Are you afraid of any ghost?
I'm a little afraid of those ghosts. I'm terrified.
Oh,
Just a
okay.
little bit. Just a little bit.
Well, that's good.
Thank you.
This
Alright.
is video.
Oh, it's video. One of those moving pictures.
Got a question. So you said you're a ghost now, friend?
I might be.
What kind of ghost would you be then?
Friendly ghost.
A friendly
Friendly
ghost.
ghost. Oh, are you the one they call Casper?
No, that's my brother.
Oh,
He
Casper's
gets all the
brother.
fame,
Oh,
you
tell me, said hi.
know.
Oh, we got some friends over here.
Oh,
Hi
hello
there. Hello, are you a unicorn? You're a unicorn fairy?
Don't you remember her? You're scared of her.
You're right. I did take a nap though and decided to change my mind.
Yeah.
I met another unicorn who was very friendly. That kind of helped coax my way.
Wait, hold on. Get back in track.
Video. for s'mores granny apple fries. I've had them before, but I'm having them again. Time for the granny apple fries. Spooky edition. As soon as I say I don't need my wireless go, of course I need it today, now. At the recently opened coffee company near the front of the park to try something I haven't tried yet in my 2 other trips to Brick or Treat this year. It's not this though. Do I need coffee? Not really, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So this is what it looks like after adding a lot of cream, because that's what I do. Alright, I have to be really honest, that was really, really good. So much better than Starbucks. I wish it was larger. At City Snacks for the 3rd and final attempt to try the purple popcorn. There we go. So look, it's real. Unfortunately, this review is a little unhelpful since, as of today, Brick or Treat's done for 2021. But if you're wondering, purple popcorn is quite good. It's, I think caramel or caramel. Not really grape, but it is pretty awesome. Oh, also, take note, every other theme park, it is October 31st. There is not a single sign of Christmas anywhere in this park. This is how you do it. Alright, so there's one exception, but there's no decorations in the park yet, is what I mean. It's time for an update on Miniland's Not So Mini project, the covering, which unfortunately as of now is not finished, but it's obviously very, very close. Since my previous update, there's a lot that has been reopened. This whole side was still closed as of the 2nd week of Brick or Treat. I believe these were drained as well. I'll have to look at my video, but these are once again moving. Unfortunately, it seems the pirate area will remain uncovered. Hey, that's not made of Legos. I want my money back. And also, the vehicles seem to be moving now. Once again, like I said before, we'll have the Brick or Treat decorations next year in Miniland, because obviously it's not going to be closed. I don't know if they refurbished Las Vegas recently, but these are looking a lot nicer. They don't look like they've been damaged by the sun. And they're going to stay like that a lot longer too. Even over here at Treasure Island, it looks really good, like all the white bricks. I've actually seen this pirate show, the real one, in Las Vegas. I've also stayed at the Venetian, a very, very nice hotel. Looks like there's some sort of tag on the sign from Mirage, but I can't read it from here. Well, this is my 3rd and final trip to Brick or Treat this year. If you want to see the shows, I didn't show the shows this time because I've shown the shows many other times. You can see them on this channel. Awesome time again at Brick or Treat. Caught some things I forgot to get or didn't see the first 2 times. Please check out other videos on my channel right here. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.